city is doing in response to the coronavirus. They started a news conference briefing, which we're told will happen now more frequently. It was at the Greenville Convention Center today. Representatives from DHEC, Prisma Health, and Greenville County's emergency management came together to give us an update from the local level here in the upstate. Fox Carolina's Carrie Wiemer was at that news conference. She's outside the convention center now with an update on what happened. Carrie?
Hey, Cody, you know, the one thing that Mayor Knox White said today was he's seen where larger areas around the nation are coming up with frequent updates and more information for its citizens, and he wanted that right here at Greenville. So they're having these meetings now weekly to discuss their fight against the COVID-19. A couple of highlights from the meeting today. One, of course, was the announcement of that COVID-19 death right here in Greenville County. The other big question was, how did Mayor Knox and the other city officials feel about the implementation of a stay-at-home ordinance here? Take a look. When asked about plans for a stay-at-home ordinance, the mayor said that is something he is discussing with the governor on a state level. He said clarifications needed to be made on what is considered essential business, but the stay-at-home order was something that would probably happen at some point. DHEC's regional director confirmed today there has been a COVID-19 related death in Greenville to bring the death total for the state to 13 people. Unfortunately and sadly, we have an additional death in a Greenville County resident. Was an elderly person with underlying conditions that would have put them at high risk for complications. The Greenville County Emergency Management Director also announced that starting Monday, there will be a first responder testing location in Greenville, covering a region of 11 counties. He says this will allow first responders to be cleared sooner than later so they can help out with responses. Now, the mayor also said today that this would be the first of weekly meetings so that officials can come together and give an update on what's going on in Greenville's specific fight against COVID. Now, we did stream that entire meeting on our Facebook app, so you can go there to see the entire meeting and hear what other questions were asked and what those responses were. The main message that he reiterated once again was stay at home, keep practicing social distancing. In Greenville, Carrie Wiemer, Fox Carolina, the 5 o'clock news.
Carrie, thanks. An upstate coronavirus